Bola Ole PKT 2014 for the World Cup in Brazil. We are currently right now at Stadium Sultan Sulaiman in Klang. Okay, one of the first stadium in Klang. So, alright, we'll be talking about today's game, predict and win. However, let's check out some videos, some recordings because we have visits from a school from Convent Klang. So let's see what they have to say about today's game. All right.
I dare you. Let go. Let go. Let go. Let go.
Hi. Do you watch football?
Yes. Germany.
Oh, for Belgium. Yeah. What's your prediction? 2-1, 3-0, 3-1?
Belgium and US will be 3-1.
3-1. 3 Belgium.
Yeah.
1 is okay. For tomorrow, I want to ask you about your prediction for Belgium and USA.
I didn't watch football.
Take a look at camera. No, what's your prediction for tomorrow?
Probably 1-1.
1-0.
Then maybe with the
You mean US 1, Belgium 0. 1-0. Okay.
Maybe with the penalty, maybe it'll be like 2-1, maybe USA 2 and like.
You mean USA win?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Okay.
USA.
I think you can take for all.
Okay.
Okay. What's your prediction for tomorrow play? USA, Belgium.
Belgium, USA. USA.
Yes, USA teacher. Brazil is the best.
Who you think will win?
USA.
USA. You? USA. Also USA. Okay. Thank you.
Tengok result je.
Result.
Apa?
Untuk game malam ni Belgium USA rasa siapa menang?
USA.
USA.
Leading.
So your
juga.
prediction score? 2 for Belgium or USA? 3-2. 3-2. You?
2 for Belgium.
2 for Belgium.
0 for Belgium. Oh, you did not just go there.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
Bye. Hi, welcome back to the show. So you have heard some of the students who have given their what do you call it, their prediction on who they think they will win.
Yep.
Okay, I'm your host Edwin, and I have here
Atika.
all right.
Yeah.
So next course, what we're going to discuss is tonight's game prediction.
Yeah.
We have selected is actually Belgium versus USA. All right. So now let's look at some stats here. Belgium is ranked number 11 in the world.
Then
and
USA number 13.
Yes, 13. They have played 5 games so far, with Belgium winning 4 and US 1. The last match was about almost 1 year ago in May 2013, where Belgium won 4-2. Alright? Yes, correct. So for this round 16, Belgium qualified first in their group, where US qualified second behind Germany. Alright, so let's see what PKT expert prediction is saying. It's going for
Belgium
US to win 2-1. Alright, so yeah, Atika, what do you think?
I think Belgium will be 2
And
USA 1.
All right. Okay, that's also the same prediction what I will go for tonight.
Yeah.
And if you have followed me yesterday, France against Nigeria 2-0, then you have the same as me. All right. Okay. Now, so you already know what is the game that you need to select.
Yeah.
All right. To predict. Okay.
And
So before we go, let's take a video. Okay. Let's get the recording video. Sorry. Recorded earlier to see who actually won for yesterday's France versus Nigeria lucky draw. All right. Check it out.
Hi, I'm your host Barbara the Cute. Now we are at CB department and we are going to Mr. Bala room. He is our head of CB department. Let's go. We are going to do a draw. He's Mr. Bala, in charge of our CB department. Okay, so Mr. Bala will do a draw for France versus Nigeria. Okay, just go out. These are some names. Maybe Mr. Bala can read out some names.
How many do you pick?
There are, I think,
70.
20. Maybe read out some names for them.
Ko Eng Soon.
Oh, this one of them. Maybe the other's name.
Guinea Chin.
Okay, now we'll do the draw. Let's see who get it. Ding 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 ding. We'll see who is the lucky winner for France versus Nigeria.
Eng Swan.
Who is this? Let us see. Eng Swan, congratulations! You win the buffet dinner for 2, of course. And congrats. Bye.
Alright, congratulations to Eng Swan.
Yep.
Alright, so you won yourself a buffet dinner for 2 at any hotel in the world plus a jersey of your choice.
Yep.
Alright, so guys, you know what to do. Alright, you already know it's Belgium versus USA tonight. It's at 4 AM. So make sure you do your homework.
Yeah.
Put in the correct prediction. Right, it's very tight at the points race, right, for all y'all.
Yeah.
So like the video if you can, share it. Okay? So see you.
Bye.